Lodz, a dynamic city located in central Poland, is a vibrant hub of art, culture, and industrial history that has undergone a remarkable transformation over the years. Once a major center of textile industry, Lodz has reinvented itself into a thriving cultural and creative hub, offering visitors a diverse range of attractions and experiences that showcase its rich heritage and modern vitality. The revitalized manufacture complex is a testament to Lodz's transformation. What was once a sprawling textile factory has been reimagined into a modern shopping, entertainment, and cultural center. Here, visitors can shop in stylish boutiques, dine in trendy restaurants, catch a movie, and explore art galleries, making it a perfect blend of the city's industrial past and contemporary present. Lodz's Piotrkowska Street, one of Europe's longest commercial thoroughfares, is lined with historic buildings, colorful murals, and a vibrant nightlife scene. This bustling street offers an array of restaurants, cafes, and bars, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists seeking a lively atmosphere. The city's artistic heritage is evident in its numerous museums and galleries. The Muzeum Sztuki, one of the oldest modern art museums in the world, showcases an impressive collection of Polish and international contemporary art. The Museum of the Factory, located in an old textile mill, provides insights into the industrial history that shaped Lodz. Film enthusiasts will appreciate Lodz's connection to cinema. The Lodz Film School, one of the oldest film schools in the world, has produced renowned filmmakers such as Roman Polanski and Andrzej Wajda. The city's commitment to the cinematic arts is celebrated with the annual Lodz Film Festival. Lodz's culinary scene reflects its cosmopolitan spirit, with a mix of traditional Polish dishes and international cuisine. The Off Piotrkowska complex, a creative culinary space, is a hub for foodies, offering a variety of dining experiences in a vibrant setting. The White Factory, a creative cluster that houses artist studios, co-working spaces, and cultural events, is a testament to Lodz's transformation into a city that embraces innovation and creativity. The vibrant cultural calendar includes festivals, art exhibitions, fashion events, and live performances that celebrate the city's artistic vibrancy. Whether you're exploring historic streets, immersing yourself in artistic expressions, indulging in culinary delights, discovering the city's industrial history, or simply embracing its contemporary vibe, Lodz offers an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Poland's cultural richness, innovation, and urban charm, leaving an indelible mark on all who venture into its captivating embrace.